This is the bag full indicator light out of a Kenmore canister vacuum. And it doesn't measure differential pressure before the bag and after the bag like the Electrolux system did. It's just a pressure switch that turns on at about 75 inches of water lift, as I measured. And as you probably know, that's not a bag full light so much as it is a bag way too full light or a check for clog light or something like that. So if I just suck on this tube, it turns on. Keep your jokes to yourself. And I realized that Big Bertha over here runs at about 75 to 80 inches of water column, and this being a constant speed centrifugal turbine, it maintains that amount of water lift whether you have 0 hoses plugged in or 1 or 2 or 3 up to the rated capacity of the system. And that got me a thinking, how cool would it be to have this as more like a system ready indicator light rather than a bag full light. So imagine if this was installed remotely to show that the system was working and running below capacity so that you could plug your hose in and use it. So that's what I did. And even if you have an inlet valve open right at the machine, this thing moves so much air that that light stays lit, meaning that there's over 75 inches of vacuum inside that intake, even with an inlet wide open. And then, of course, as soon as the turbine is turned off, the light goes off. Pointless, but amusing. Nothing like any of the rest of the stuff in this garage.